everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and welcome back to our SQL series. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do micro videos. So last video, we talked about a new keyword that we were going to be looking at, and we need to look at distinct. And we are currently going through the book SQL for Data Scientists, and we are using the database that the author has graciously allowed us to use. So I highly recommend checking out this book if you are interested in SQL, data analysis, data science. I highly recommend it. It is from somebody in the industry who has used data and SQL for a considerable amount of time. So they are the expert, and we're just kind of going through this together. So, all right. Last video, I left off and I went, okay, so we've grouped these by, and let me, if this is your first video, we probably need to recap last video. So where we were is we are using the table customer purchase, and let's get it. Yeah, so it has product ID, vendor ID, market date, customer ID, quantity, cost of customer per quantity, and transaction time. So we were going back and forth between customer and customer purchases. And we figured out that if we use the group by, we could see the same number in the customer. So then I went, okay, so if I wanted to quickly, let's say this had 1,000 and I didn't want to scroll through and count, I could just wrap count around this and it would accomplish the same task, right? Well, no. So this is doing something completely different. This, since we're grouping by everything here, it is counting every single transaction that, if we were to do customer ID, then comma, then count, then we would have every single transaction associated with that customer ID. But if we wanted to see how many customers we had from this table, we would do something different. And we would get a printout of distinct, oops, let's go back, distinct customer ID. Then I get my 26, then I wrap count around this, but I do not need my group by, because that would arbitrarily group by. So I'm saying count distinct, only count them once. So then now I get my, so I can go and quickly see, does every customer have a purchase? So that is just one of the hundreds and hundreds of little questions and little techniques. Am I going to have is everybody who is a customer, have they purchased? So then we can begin to filter out and just go from there. But in next video, what we are going to do is we are going to then look at who is our top customers, so we can send them a newsletter, send them a gift certificate, send them a coupon, whatever, just something. We're going to begin to now take what we can do and then pull information from it. So right now we're grouping, we're handling, we're analyzing, but we haven't actually done any questions. So now we're going to pose a question and then write a query to answer that question. So there we go. Real quick video today, guys, but as always, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you're jumping over to Discord and asking any questions, SQL related, anything else. You'll see all the little channels that are associated with the server. I or myself or someone else will be there answering questions, so please don't hesitate. Make sure you're hitting that subscribe button, notification bell, and as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.